Welcome to Dyana's kitchen. Today I'm making some festival today. I have my little helper here, Dyana. Say hi, Dyana. Hi. Okay, today I will be using 2 cups of flour. Dyana, you want to help me throw the flour in? Okay, we're gonna do that last, Dyana. This is the salt. I'm going to use we're gonna use for the salt half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, all right. She's moving very, very fast. Okay, we're gonna use for the cornmeal 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. Over with this. Okay, and the sugar, we're going to use 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. I help her moving really fast today. Okay, and the baking powder, we're going to use half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and for the vanilla, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, the water, you're gonna take your time and pour the water in. Let me mix it a bit. Let me mix it a little bit, Mama. My helper is moving really, really fast. Okay, we're gonna mix everything together. Mix. Alright, I'm gonna show the water. This is warm water, okay? You can use cold water, but I like to use warm water. Okay, may I help her? Let me do this one. Okay, you can use any water you want to use. I like to use the warm water. Okay, alright, here we go. I think we're gonna need a bit more water. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna need a bit more. No, we don't need no more sugar. The sugar's finished anyway, Mama. Once you get it like this, make sure your hands is clean, okay? It's very important. Make sure you wash your hands and your hands is clean. My hands is clean. So what I'm going to do right now is combine everything together. Okay? Be careful, sweetheart. Yeah, combine everything together. What you can do, Mama, is count them. Take them out and count them. See you in a bit. Okay, this is my dough. Okay, it's ready. Now I'm gonna make my festival. Okay. Depends on how big you want your festival. Depends how big. Okay. Again, make sure when you use your flour, make sure it's self-rising flour. Okay. You want your flour to be self-rising. Alright, and what you can do to make sure the pot hot, just do a little test, like a little piece and test it. Okay. Self-rising flour, once you put it in the pot, it will rise. Okay, like this. Okay, alright, I'm gonna put this in the pot right now. Okay, I'm gonna test it with a little piece. Okay, you can test it. You don't want it too hot. Okay, and keep your fire and medium heat, because what happens when the pot too hot, what will happen will the outside will fry and the inside don't fry. Well, this is good, okay, so keep it on medium heat. You want your festival to fry inside and out. Okay, so make sure to keep it on medium heat. All right, so this is it. make sure when you frying your festival, you see, make sure you do it in a broad pot. Okay. This is my festival. I'm finished now. You can eat this festival alone, or you can eat it with anything. Okay. All right, Diane, you're gonna be my tester woman. You want to test the small one that I made for you? Test it and let me know how it tastes.
Good job.
Okay, thank you, Dyana. Okay, if you want me to make something, just please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you.